Dealing with a sudden roof problem? Here's how to handle emergency roof repairs effectively. First, assess the damage as safely as possible. Look for missing shingles, damaged areas, or leaks. Document everything. It will be crucial for insurance claims and repair discussions. If there's a leak, act quickly to minimize interior water damage. Use buckets, move items, and cover leaks with tarps temporarily. Next, call a professional roofer. Choose someone with emergency services, licensed and insured. They'll assess the damage safely and suggest the best course of action. Discuss temporary fixes to protect your home until permanent repairs can be made. Emergency tarping can be a quick solution to prevent further damage. Lastly, once the crisis is managed, plan for future prevention. Regular inspections and maintenance can help avoid unexpected repairs. If you're facing a roofing emergency, don't wait. Contact RoofWorks for immediate assistance and expert repair services. Visit our website or give us a call to schedule your free inspection today.